Today, I'll show you how to edit Surveymonkey responses. Surveymonkey is a powerful tool for gathering feedback and insights, but sometimes you need to make tweaks to the responses collected. Whether it's fixing a typo or updating an answer, editing responses is a straightforward process. In this quick tutorial, we'll go through each step to ensure you can make those changes with ease. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be on the home page where you can see all your surveys. Next, to manage your surveys, click on the All Surveys YALM option. This will provide you with a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. It's organized neatly, so finding the specific survey you need should be fairly straightforward. Once you have located the survey you wish to edit, click on it. This action will take you to the survey's dashboard. Here you have a variety of options, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on analyzing and editing the responses. Now look for the Analyze Results button and click on it. This feature allows you to dive deeper into the data collected from your respondents. It's a great way to get an overview of how people have answered your questions and provides various tools to interpret this data. Within the Analyze Results section, you'll want to click on Individual Responses. This option is exactly what it sounds like. It lets you view each response individually. You'll see a list of respondents and their answers, which is perfect for pinpointing which specific response you need to modify. From here, scroll through the responses and select the one you need to edit. Once you've identified it, click on the edit icon, which usually looks like a small pencil or a similar editing symbol. Clicking this will open up the response for editing. Now you can make the necessary changes to the response. It might be a simple correction, such as fixing a spelling mistake, or it could be updating an answer based on new information. Whatever the change, once you've made it, be sure to save your edits. This ensures that your changes are recorded and the response is updated accurately. And there you have it. Editing responses in SurveyMonkey is a simple task once you know where to look and what to click. Remember, being able to make these changes can be incredibly useful for maintaining the accuracy and integrity of your survey data. It's also a handy skill to have if you're managing multiple surveys and need to ensure all collected data is as precise as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you learn how to edit SurveyMonkey responses efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.